it's time to have even more fun with Java. In this module, we'll be creating a few relatively simple games. In order to create games, we need to be able to take input from the user. This is something that you don't do very often in Java like this anymore. Commonly, some special front-end application is connected to get user interaction. But we're going to learn this just for the sake of these projects. It's not very hard, and it does add a fun thing we can do. In order to get user input easily, we'll use the scanner class. The scanner class is part of the Java util package and is a simple text scanner which can be used for parsing primitive types and strings. It's useful for reading user input from the console. The scanner class provides several methods to read different types of input. We can use nextInt for integers, guess what, nextFloat for floats, nextDouble for doubles, and nextLine for strings. These methods just read the next input value of the specified type. Let's see an example in IntelliJ. So we first need to create a new scanner, and that's done like this. Of course, we need to import it. And then we say new scanner system.in, specifying where it should scan. Then I'm going to output a certain message. For example, please enter your name. Then I'm going to say string name equals, and then let's just do scanner.nextLine. And then let's output a message. Hello, plus whatever name was entered. Okay, I'm going to run this to show you how this works. We're not done yet though, but let me show you this. As you can see, it prints please enter your name, but as you can tell, the application is still running. It's waiting for me to enter my name, so let me enter my name. Then it's going to grab my name from the input, store it in name, and then use it for the next output message. When we're done with the scanner, it's a good practice to close it by calling the close method. This prevents any resource leaks, especially when we're working with files. In our example, we would have to add scanner close before the end of the main method, like this. The last thing I want to show you here is that we can also scan for ints. So let's make another output. Please enter your age. And then we say int age, and now we need to use the next int. So I'm going to say scanner next int. And then in here, I'm going to go ahead and just print the age. I mean, I could do an if statement, do something with the age, but we're just going to say your plus age plus years old. And then we close the scanner. Let's run this again. So the first pass is after please enter your name. Well, still the same name. Please enter your age, entering my age, and there we go, using it in the output statement. So this is how to work with the scanner class in a nutshell. We can use it to read user input, and we need to close it when we're finished. Now we're ready to use the scanner class in the Java projects to create some games in this module. Have fun!